Good morning, children. Today we are going to have a discussion on plaster of Paris and bleaching powder, which is a part of the chapter 17, that is chemistry in daily life. These compounds have wide use in the industries. Before discussing the topic, let us watch a video. It is an interactive video that has been provided by the Tata Classes of our school, which I am going to share with you. Children, now pay attention to the video.
Bleaching powder and plaster of Paris. Bleaching powder, also referred to as chloride of lime or calcium oxychloride, has the molecular formula of CaOCl2. When calcium hydroxide, also called slaked lime, reacts with chlorine, the product is calcium oxychloride and water. Bleaching powder is a white solid with a strong smell of chlorine, and it is used to bleach colors in textile and paper industries and as a disinfectant. Another salt derived from calcium is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is more commonly known as plaster of Paris. When calcium sulfate dehydrate, also called gypsum, is heated to temperatures between 120 to 180 degrees Celsius or 248 to 356 degree Fahrenheit, calcium sulfate hemihydrate will form. Plaster of Paris is a white powder that, when wet, can be molded, and once dry, it will form a very hard, durable product. It is widely used in casting molds, orthopedic casts, and fireproofing wall surfaces. Summary: bleaching powder is also referred to as chloride of lime or calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder is produced by reacting calcium hydroxide with chlorine. Bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant and a bleaching agent. Plaster of Paris is the common name for calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Plaster of Paris is produced by heating gypsum. Plaster of Paris is used in casting molds and fireproofing walls.
Let us now have a discussion on the preparation, properties and uses of plaster of Paris. Children, let us start with plaster of Paris. So, the chemical formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. Chemical name of plaster of Paris is Ca calcium, SO4 sulfate, 1/2, that is half, hemi, H2O hydrate. So what is the chemical name for plaster of Paris? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now let us discuss about the preparation of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin. How can you prepare plaster of Paris? By heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin. So what is the formula for gypsum? CaSO4 2H2O. And what is the formula for plaster of Paris? CaSO4 half H2O. So what is the difference in the chemical formula of these two compounds, plaster of Paris and gypsum? In plaster of Paris it is half H2O, and in case of gypsum it is 2H2O. So plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum, CaSO4, 2 water molecules, when heated at 373 Kelvin gives CaSO4 half H2O plus 1.5 water. How many water molecules are present on the left hand side, children? 2 water molecules. And on the right hand side, here it is half, and how much is remaining? 1.5. So what is the equation for the preparation of plaster of Paris? CaSO4, 2 water at 373 Kelvin gives CaSO4 half H2O plaster of Paris plus 1.5 water molecule. Now let us come to the next properties of plaster of Paris. It is a white powder. Plaster of Paris is a white powder. And the second is, when it is mixed with water, crystals of gypsum are produced and set into hard mass. This is plaster of Paris. When it is mixed with water, 1.5 water. So how many water on the left hand side? 1.5 here and half here, means 2 water molecules. And what you are getting? CaSO4, 2 water. This is gypsum. So plaster of Paris, when it is mixed with water, you get gypsum. Now children, this gypsum, this plaster of Paris, it is stored in airtight containers because air contains moisture. Air contains moisture. So when plaster of Paris combines with moisture in the atmosphere, it forms gypsum. So because of this reason, plaster of Paris is always stored in airtight containers. Why? Air contains moisture. This moisture can cause the setting of plaster of Paris into a hard mass of gypsum. Next is the uses of plaster of Paris. The first use of plaster of Paris is it is used for producing molds for industries such as pottery, ceramics, etc. It is also used for setting fractured bones in right position in the body. It is used for making statues, models and other decorative materials. Also used for increasing the smoothness of surfaces. So what are the different uses of plaster of Paris? It is used for producing molds for industries such as pottery and ceramics. Also used for setting fractured bones in the right position in the body. Used for making statues, models and other decorative materials. Also used for increasing the smoothness of surfaces. So let us summarize plaster of Paris. What is the chemical formula for plaster of Paris? CaSO4 half H2O. What is its chemical name? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. How can you prepare plaster of Paris? Gypsum, that is CaSO4 2 water, when heated at 373 Kelvin gives CaSO4 half H2O, that is plaster of Paris plus 1.5 water. Properties, it is a white powder. Second property, when it is mixed with water, it forms gypsum. So plaster of Paris is always stored in airtight containers because air contains moisture. This moisture can cause the setting of plaster of Paris into a hard mass of gypsum. And what are the uses of plaster of Paris? The first use is it is used for making molds. It is used for setting fractured bones. Also used for making statues, toys, decorative pieces. It is used for smoothing the surfaces and also used in dentistry. Now, the next topic is bleaching powder. Chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Chemical name is Ca calcium, O oxy, Cl2 chloride. So the chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. So next, how can you prepare bleaching powder? It is prepared by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. How can you prepare bleaching powder? By the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. So what is slaked lime? Calcium hydroxide. CaOH2 is slaked lime. So CaOH2, that is slake lime, when combines with chlorine. See children, here you can see the reaction CaOH2, how I have written CaOH2, and here you can see that H2O is encircled. H2O is encircled. So H2O is a byproduct. Here you can see water here. So what you are left with now? CaOCl2. Ca, just outside the circle, what is there? CaOCl2. This is bleaching powder. This is how you can prepare bleaching powder. Next, properties of bleaching powder. It is a pale yellow powder. Bleaching powder is a pale yellow powder. It has a strong smell of chlorine. When left open, when bleaching powder is left open, it combines with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to release chlorine gas. When bleaching powder is left open in the atmosphere, it combines with carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide atmosphere में होता है. So carbon dioxide जो atmosphere में है, it combines with bleaching powder, and this is how the reaction takes place. Look here, CaOCl2 plus CO2. Cl2 has been encircled, और इस सर्कल के बाहर में क्या दिख रहा है हमको? CaOCO2. तो CO3 हो गया ये, CO2O मतलब CO3. So CaCO3. Here you can see CaCO3. And what else is released? Chlorine gas is released. So bleaching powder, जब उसको हम खुला छोड़ देंगे, it combines with CO2 in the atmosphere to form CaCO3. और इस बीच में क्या होता है? Cl2 gas is released. I hope children you are understanding. Now let us discuss the uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton in the textile industry. Bleaching action of bleaching powder is due to the chlorine gas. यहाँ पे आप देखो क्लोरीन गैस रिलीज हुआ था, तो ब्लीचिंग एक्शन जो ब्लीचिंग पाउडर दिखाता है वो किसके कारण दिखाता है? इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लोरीन गैस विच इज रिलीज ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन. Next uses, it is used for disinfecting drinking water, used in the manufacture of chlorine, also used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Once again, let us summarize bleaching powder. What is the chemical formula for bleaching powder? The chemical formula for bleaching powder is CaOCl2. What is its chemical name? Calcium oxychloride. How can you prepare bleaching powder? When calcium hydroxide, that is slake lime, is treated with chlorine, by the action of chlorine on slake lime, bleaching powder is formed. What are the properties of bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is a pale yellow powder. And what is the next one? When bleaching powder is left open, it combines with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and releases chlorine gas, Cl2 gas, which you can see in the equation. What are the uses of bleaching powder? It is used for bleaching cotton, linen in the textile industry. The bleaching action is due to the chlorine gas released by bleaching powder. It is used as a disinfectant in drinking water, also used in the manufacture of chlorine. It is also used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Just one more thing I would like to point out is that in the exercise, in the back exercise of your textbook, there are two questions related to this topic. Question number 7 and question number 9. What is question number 7? What is the process of making plaster of Paris? Why is it stored in airtight containers? Children, we have already discussed this topic, these two topics. Process of making plaster of Paris, again a repetition. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, plaster of Paris is obtained. Why we store it in airtight containers? It is stored in airtight containers because air contains moisture. This moisture can cause the setting of plaster of Paris into hard mass, that is gypsum. This we have discussed under the properties of plaster of Paris. Equation is also there. CaSO4 half H2O plus 1.5 water gives CaSO4 2H2O. You have to simply copy that reaction here. Next question is a compound of calcium which is white powder having a yellow tinge is used in the textile industry and as a disinfectant. So a small hint is given here, white powder having a yellow tinge. Right now we have discussed white powder having a yellow tinge is bleaching powder. So maybe the compound is bleaching powder. It is used in the textile industry. Again we have discussed that bleaching action of cotton in the textile industry. So again answer may be bleaching powder. Again we have got one more hint here, as a disinfectant. So we have discussed bleaching powder is used for disinfecting drinking water. So from these three hints we get that the compound is bleaching powder. So what is the name of the compound? Bleaching powder. Which gas is released when the compound is left out in open air? कौन सा गैस रिलीज होता है जब हम ब्लीचिंग पाउडर को बाहर में खुला छोड़ देते हैं? हमने इसके बारे में पढ़ा है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर में. कौन सा गैस है बेटा? इट इज क्लोरीन गैस. Cl2 गैस इज रिलीज्ड. गिव द बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन फॉर दिस रिएक्शन. बैलेंस इक्वेशन भी प्रॉपर्टीज में लिखा है. CaOCl2 प्लस Cl2. Cl2 लिबरेट हो गया, Cl2 इज रिलीज्ड and what else is formed? CaCO3. So this is all about plaster of Paris and bleaching powder. So the assignment for you is you have to attempt question number 7 and question number 9, which is given in the back exercise. Along with this you have to copy the notes which is being forwarded with this video. Thank you children.